Hello everyone, today we are going to learn a very interesting story, that is a little fish story from English Marigold book of CBSE class 3rd. So let's start to read and understand the story, a little fish story. There are a great many million fish in the seas, but this story is about just one of them, and a very small one at that. Now, this little fish had everything in the sea to make him contented. But he was not happy. You will laugh when I tell you why he was not. He was unhappy because he was so very small. It is very hard to be such a little mite of a fish, he would say over and over again. If I were only larger, how much happier I could be. And he said it so many times that I think he believed it. See students, there are many millions means thousands and thousands fish in the seas, but the story is about just one, a very small fish. The small fish was not happy in the seas. There were many things in the seas to make him contented, means to make him satisfied, to make him happy, but he was unhappy because he thought if I were only larger, how much happier I could be. It means he want to be a larger like other larger fishes, because he was not happy in his small, very small shape. He was thinking it is very hard to be such a little, very small fish. Yes, student, it was really laughing thing that small fish was unhappy because of he was so very small. Now we will see what happened next. One day he was swimming along with the rest of his school and thinking, no doubt, how much more the larger fish had to be thankful for than he. When suddenly, with no warning, they found themselves in the meshes of a great net. There was much floundering and splashing as the net was drawn up out of the water into the sunlight, and just as its howl was being See student, when this little fish was swimming along with his other friends in the seas, he was thinking that larger fish should be thankful than he, that they are too much longer than he. Suddenly, with no warning, that larger fishes found themselves in the meshes of a great net. Meshes means net of wire. There was much floundering. Floundering means that all the larger fishes were struggling to come out of that net, and splashing as the net was drawn up out of the water into the sunlight. Splashing means it is the sound of falling of liquid type something. It means that all the larger fishes who caught in the net was trying to come out of the net. And just as its howl was being emptied into the boat, the smallest fish in the school wriggled through the mesh and slipped back into the cool, clear water. How good it felt! He swam here and there and everywhere, and some of the fish who knew him well all the rest of his life said that they never again heard him say that he wishes to be anything but a little fish. Student, with that larger fish, the small fish also caught in that mesh, means in that wire net, but he tried to wriggle means try to twist and turn out from that mesh and slip back into the cool clear water. And how good it felt to that little so very small fish, and he swam here and there and everywhere because of the happiness. And some of the fish who knew him well all the rest of his life said that they never again heard him say that the wishes to be anything but a little fish. It means he never said that I want to be a larger fish. He was so much happy in his so very little shape. Now we will see some new words with their meanings. Million means product of thousands and thousands. Floundering means struggling for something. Meshes means the wire net. And howl means something pull with effort. Contented means satisfied. Then splashing. Splashing means it is the sound of falling of liquid type something. Emptied. Emptied means it is the past tense of empty, and here we can say to remove its contents. And then a wriggle. Wriggle means twist and turn out. Now it's song time, friends. Singing or crying. Mahesh sings a little song. Venkatesh looks at him. Why are you crying, Mahesh? He asks. Mahesh says, I am not crying. I am singing an English song. Choose the right words. Mahesh sings a little song. Venkatesh looks at him. Venkatesh thinks Mahesh is crying. Last one is Mahesh is singing a song. Now we will see some questions and answers of the lesson. So we will start with first question. How many fish are there in the sea? There are millions of fishes in the sea. Now we will see next question. Why was the little fish unhappy? The little fish was unhappy because he was very small. Now we will see third number question. What happened to the fish one day? The fish was caught in the mesh of a net. Now we will see next question. Now we will see 4 number question. Why was the fish thankful to be a little fish? The fish was thankful to be a little fish. This was only because of its small size he was able to escape from the net. Now here imagine you are a little fish. It means you want to imagine as like that small little fish and describe what you might see around you. Already one answer I have given here, but you also describe your own answer. There is a blue water all around me. I am swimming with other fellow little fishes. Now look at the pattern and fill in the blanks. Already I have filled that blanks and given answer chart there. Catch, caught. Swim, swam. Buy, bought. Teach, taught. Content, contented. Wish, wished. See, saw. Fight, fought. See student, what you have understood from this chart? Have you observed? It was past tense of all the words. Means given verbs. Now fill in the blanks with the right word from the box. A glass of water, a box of matches, a sheet of paper, a bunch of flowers, a herd of cows, and a pack of wolves. I hope you have understood the lesson. For better understanding, you should read this story again and again and write all the exercise, questions and answers in your notebook. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel to get more videos on NCERT classes.